Parang naka-dig down siya eh, pero
Okay. Safety lang.
oo. The 4, ayan, ako sakto.
Tapos yung pinaka malaki lang na nagawang lead ng MSW, 3.
Ano, may dos pa pala. That will
Okay.
do.
Okay.
Oh.
That's right. Michael Kinay going for a 3-9. Missed it. Since kapag nanalo sila, sila magbe-break naman eh.
Yun na nga. And,
Oh, check
oy.
this out. Unexpected miss. Looking to massay the cue ball, avoiding the 8, hoping to make the 3. Oh, that was a good try. Not bad, not bad.
One good position here coming from player Refulie. I'd say it's safe to say.
Wow, nicely done. Great shot right there.
Come up with certain adjustments. Iba talaga ang doktor, no?
Di ba talagang doktor? Baka banayad na lang na tira ito sa side pocket. Yun na nga. Nothing but pocket right there. And once again, Mavericks on the verge to win another consecutive match. Final ball.
Really pocket, pero gusto muna pagandahin ni Raga to, no? Just like that.
Wow, what a clutch shot coming from Refulie. Grabe yun.